Do you know that the number of self-made millionaires has grown exponentially in the past 3 years? As AI technology becomes more advanced and accessible, it's becoming easier for people to leverage its power to create amazing wealth. The fun fact is that many of these self-made millionaires are first-time entrepreneurs with no prior experience or tech background. They're just regular people who have been able to use AI in smart ways to create massive financial gains. The question is, what makes you different? Here are the top 8 ways on how you can leverage the power of AI to become a millionaire.
Number 1. Utilizing artificial intelligence in your business or current work. Whether you have a business or work a 9-to-5 job, you can start using artificial intelligence (AI) in your current operations to increase efficiency and profitability. For example, if you work in a corporate environment, having AI-powered tools at your disposal can help automate tasks or monotonous processes that take up a significant amount of your time. Automation can enable you to focus on higher-value tasks while increasing productivity and performance for the organization. For instance, if you work in the financial sector, AI-powered tools can assist you in identifying trends and making effective decisions quickly, which can lead to portfolio growth. As you can see, regardless of your industry, AI can help you generate more value by improving productivity and efficiency. The key is to search for AI tools that are suitable for your business, set clear goals, and invest in the right technology to achieve results. Number 2. Investing in AI startups. If you find AI complex and challenging to understand and implement, you can consider investing in AI startups that are working to build innovative solutions. By investing in these companies, you can potentially profit from their success if they thrive. However, it is essential to conduct thorough research and exercise caution before investing in any company to ensure they have a solid business model and sound investment strategies. Number 3. Providing integrated AI services. The idea behind offering integrated AI services is to help businesses integrate their products and services with AI technology. AI can be used to automate tasks, identify trends, optimize processes, and much more. As an AI integration provider, you can also assist businesses in developing AI-based products and services. With expertise in this field, you can guide them on developing customized applications equipped with AI for their company. This is an excellent way to build a portfolio and potentially become a millionaire in the process. Number 4. Provides AI consulting services. This may sound challenging, but in reality, it can be quite straightforward. You don't need to have programming skills or in-depth understanding of AI algorithms to offer AI consulting services. Instead, you simply need to understand business needs and provide advice on how AI can be utilized to meet those objectives. Many companies are willing to pay a high price for these services, making it a great way to earn a substantial income with AI. Here's how you can do it. If you're new to AI, start by learning the basics of AI and how it can benefit businesses. 1. Connect with like-minded individuals in the industry who can share their experiences and expertise with you. 2. Build a network with potential clients who may utilize your services and provide them with valuable insights on how AI can help their business. 3. Design solutions or plans based on the needs of your potential clients, which may involve automation, predictive analytics, natural language processing, and more. 4. Develop and test your solutions before deployment to ensure they meet the expectations of your clients. 5. Market your unique services and solutions to attract more customers. 6. The best part is that you don't even need to know how to program or have technical knowledge to do this. With the right combination of skills and hard work, you can work wonders with AI and become a millionaire in a short period of time. Number 5. Investing in stocks or AI funds. For some, this choice may seem daunting, but if you do thorough research and have the right strategy, it can yield significant benefits. Stocks and AI funds are becoming increasingly popular as investors recognize the potential of using machine learning algorithms to increase profits. As an investor, you can choose to invest in companies that develop AI technology or companies that utilize AI in their operations. By investing in appropriate stocks and funds, you can earn money from the growth of AI-related companies. You can also explore ETFs, exchange-traded funds, that focus on AI and machine learning. These funds are professionally managed and ensure diversification to mitigate risks and maximize returns. Whichever path you choose, make sure to do your due diligence and research. You don't want to blindly invest in a company just because it claims to use AI technology. Thoroughly investigate and ensure the company is reputable, has a good track record and experience in the industry. If done right, investing in AI can help you become a millionaire with minimal effort. Remember to do your research and invest smartly. Number 6. Creating a brand with artificial intelligence. This is an important aspect that many people are beginning to explore. Artificial intelligence technology can be used to create strong and impressive brands for viewers and consumers. This can involve creating images, audio files, and even video content generated by artificial intelligence or organizing automated online seminars that can be personalized for each viewer. You can also use artificial intelligence to create powerful marketing campaigns targeting specific customers with the right message at the right time. This targeted marketing approach is much more effective than traditional methods and can help you reach potential customers who are interested in what you offer. If you're unsure how to get started, we can create a more detailed video about the power of content creativity and how you can use it to create your own brand. Number 7. Selling artificial intelligence technical courses. With this option, you don't need to have your own artificial intelligence product or course. You can simply advertise the content of another expert and make money by selling their courses through your platform. This is a great way to leverage artificial intelligence to earn income. You can use it to help build a successful technical course platform and promote it using tools like AI-powered marketing automation software. This way, you can target potential customers based on their interests and increase your chances of success. Furthermore, by staying updated on artificial intelligence trends, you can ensure that your courses are always relevant and in demand. Once you've launched your course, you can start leveraging AI-supported services such as chatbots or virtual assistants to automate customer support and sales processes. With these tools, you'll have the ability to enhance efficiency and reach more potential customers with targeted messages. Number 8. Creating a SaaS company, software as a service. To create an AI-based SaaS company, you will need a business plan, understanding of the technology involved in developing an AI product, and experience with marketing strategies for SaaS companies. First, assess the market demand and create a business plan for your SaaS company. Identify your target customers and determine their needs, then come up with ideas to meet those needs with an AI-supported service. Next, you will need to develop the technology behind your AI product. This may involve using natural language processing or machine learning algorithms to process data and generate insights. It's important to ensure that your algorithms are efficient and secure, so work with experienced developers who have the right skills and knowledge in this field. This is one of the fastest ways to become a millionaire today. If you've read this far, please leave a comment below with the word 100 to let us know that you've watched the entire video. For more interesting topics, be sure to check out the suggested video you see on the screen right now. Thank you for watching.